ready to unlock the power of direct communication and connect with your audience instantly. Let's dive into how to make an outbound call with your Twilio number in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Twilio account. If you don't have one, you can quickly sign up for a free trial. Once you are in your account, you should find your account SID and auth token on the dashboard. You'll need these later. Next, you'll need to use the Twilio API to initiate the outbound call. Choose your preferred programming language, whether it's Python, Java, PHP, or Node.js, and install the Twilio helper library for that language. The Twilio website has code examples you can copy and paste to your code editor. In your code, specify the number. This is the number you're calling. Also, specify your Twilio phone number as the from number. Make sure to include your account SID and auth token to authenticate your Twilio account. Now, you need to provide Twilio with instructions on what to do when the call connects. This is usually done by providing a URL to a TWAML document. That's Twilio's markup language. The TWAML document can say something using text-to-speech or play a pre-recorded message. Once your code is set up, run it. Twilio will then make the outbound call to the specified number, delivering your message or connecting you directly, and there you have it. You've just made an outbound call with your Twilio number. For more in-depth tutorials and documentation, visit the Twilio website. Now go out there and start connecting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Twilio tips and tricks.